Coverage you can count on continues with plans to rebuild a Swainsboro business destroyed this week by fire. News Channel 6's Renetta Dubose spent the day with one of the owners, and she digs deeper for answers from that site tonight.
The cabinet business has been at this location since the 1970s, and business was so good that these cabinets left out front would have been ready for pickup on Monday.
I just felt like I was going to be sick.
The sight of flames coming from the business that's been in her family for more than 40 years was heartbreaking for Jodi Reynolds.
When we got down here, it was just, everything was engulfed. And basically all we could do was stand back and watch it burn.
The blaze brought several fire departments to South Coleman Street after flames sparked at the Swainsboro Cabinet Company around 8 Wednesday morning. Jodi says her husband was on his way to work to meet other workers who were already there.
Our painter turned on the fan that is supposed to pull the fumes out of the paint room, and he just said that he turned around and the whole wall went up in flames.
Jodi, who owns the business with her husband Alton, told us they have run it for 11 years after her stepdad operated it for 29. The Swainsboro Cabinet Company did business not just in town, but supplied cabinets for homes all around.
Vidalia area, we do a lot of business in the Waynesboro, Augusta area.
From kitchens to entertainment centers, vanities, and laundry room cabinets, the Reynolds plan to keep building their product for all to enjoy.
We're just going to take this as God's pointing us in a different direction, and maybe we need to make a few changes.
The business is a total loss, but that's not the end of it. They will rebuild. Reynolds told me they are already working on a temporary location in Emmanuel County. They will announce that on their social media page. In Swainsboro, Renetta Dubose, WJBF News Channel 6.
Mrs. Reynolds says her husband spent today at that temporary location cleaning it up and getting it ready for more jobs so they can keep up with the demand.